Now upload your website files to Google Drive. So in order to upload them, just go here and click Google Drive. Now we need to create a new folder for our website. So click new folder and give a name to our folder. This name must be the same as your website domain name. My website has name like www.myproject.com. It's important that you enter www in the beginning, so make sure you include it and click create. Now to upload our files, let's open this folder and drag and drop the files here. As you can see, we have successfully uploaded the files. Once you have done that, in order to host our website, we need to make this folder public. So to do that, let's click here and now right click on this folder, then go to share and click share. Now click here and click anyone, so it is accessible with this link, and click done.